Alright, so here we have this really interesting unit. I have no idea what it is. Sorry, hopefully my camera wasn't fogged up there. But look at this thing. This is like vintage. This is gonna go under my vintage. I'm not worried about this, but I'm thinking about looking at this. It's a Sanyo unit. That's what it is. It has 4 blades. I can't even tell what compressor it has. Let's see what year it's from. It's a 2-ton from 2000. Oh, it's actually not that old. Maybe it's 2001. Let me know. Look at the serial number and let me know which year it's from. Unless it says... I don't know. It's probably... Yeah, let me know by just looking at this if it's an old unit or not. But yeah, interesting. I've never seen a Sanyo unit like this. It's always interesting finding old versions of these mini splits. This is actually the newer version of like this, because they only make mini splits now. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching and over.